Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. Can you make money with KDP? Yes, that's the same question I also had. I was looking forward to create my passive income and I came across Amazon KDP. However, the real question was, can I make money with Amazon KDP? Can I have Amazon KDP as one of my passive income stream? And I was curious to know about that. I was curious to find it out. Can I make money with Amazon KDP? And in order to find out my answer, I decided to start my KDP journey. Because unless I'll try that, unless I'll experience it, I'll not be able to know the real truth behind it. And over the period of past few months, I have learned quite a bit about KDP. And in this video, I'm going to share with you three real KDP facts that I have learned. And based on my analysis, this is something, the true fact that every KDP publisher might have come across. And these three real KDP facts I'm going to share with you in today's video. So in case if you are someone who have started your KDP business, you are a beginner or it has been quite a while for you in this KDP business, then these 3 points that I'm going to share with you definitely is something that would interest you. So make sure that you watch the video till the end and I'll talk about those 3 points on the other side of the video. All right. So the number one fact about Amazon KDP that I have learned is not every book that I create get a sale. Yes, not every book that I create gets a sale. No matter how much I do the niche research, no matter how much I work on the keywords part, no matter how much I try to make it accurate, but the reality is, the fact is, not every book that I create is getting a sale and I don't know the reason behind it. And the fact is that out of the around 150 books that I have created, only quite a few of them getting a sale. And that number is kind of a bit low. Around 5 to 10 books of mine are getting a sale. So yes, that's the fact that not every book that I create is getting a sale. And you know what? During my research, during my analysis, during my journey of experiencing Amazon KDP, I also have kind of derived a few of the reasons that why our books are not getting sales and what would be one simple trick to increase the KDP sales of our book. So those videos are already available on my channel and I'll be putting that link into the description box. So you may want to watch that in case if you are interested to know that why we're not getting any sales and how to increase KDP sales. Now, let's talk about the second point. And the second reality that I had to accept about Amazon KDP was it may take time to get sale of a book. It is just not like that we have uploaded the book and we'll start getting the sales. Definitely that is not the reality. It takes time to get the sale. And sometimes, what happens is that the good thing about KDP is that once you have published the book on Amazon KDP, so it is going to be there on Amazon shelf. And it's a possibility that we might get sale for that particular book, maybe after a period of some time. Let me give you an example. There was one book that I uploaded back in June, and I am seeing a sale for that particular book in the month of October. So yes, definitely the good point is that once we publish that book, and even if we get to one sale of that particular book, then it's a good thing. But yes, definitely the thing is that it may take time to get sale from Amazon KDP books that we are going to publish. And I I also have learned about one simple trick to get the first KDP sale fast. And this is something that we can try, and there are a few things that we have to kind of take care of, and it might not work every time, but it has a potential that it can work for a specific time. You'll come to know about that, how to get your first sale fast and that too without ads. Now, as we're talking about ads, let's talk about the number three reality that I have learned about Amazon KDP. and that is organic sales are still possible on Amazon KDP. Yes, over the period of past few months, the sales that I have got are purely organic. I have not yet spent money on Amazon ads. And yes, definitely organic sales are still possible and you don't have to heavily invest on Amazon KDP ads. But the important point to note over here is that don't expect to be super rich from Amazon KDP. Yes, don't expect it to be super rich from Amazon KDP. It's good to have some passive income generated month over month, but definitely it's not a candidate to expect to get super rich from Amazon KDP. And over the period of past few months, I also uploaded my income reports, whatever royalties that I have earned from Amazon KDP, and you're able to see the thumbnail images of that. And the link of all this video would be in the description box, wherein I have shared my income, I have shared my royalties that I have earned, and some of the learnings that I have got from Amazon KDP journey. So you may want to watch those videos as well. So yes, those were the 3 points, and thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate your time.